If you've watched my other videos with this little park jet, you know how much I like it. You can see just how stable it is, flying around with high alpha. In fully stabilized mode. I think with practice you could fly it in a gymnasium in the wintertime, no problem. Okay, I think we just switched into 3D mode. We're going to fly it like we stole it now, I think. Oh yeah. Check out the power on this. Unlimited vertical and very speedy. I think we're going to go for a triple. Yeah, triple loop. Vertical climb and rolls. Split S. Rolls, Elmerman. Definitely flying it like we stole it. This park jet is so maneuverable. There's another Emmelman. Check out that vertical climb and vertical rolls. This is the first aircraft that has just a 1S power system that has unlimited vertical. First one I've ever flown. I'm going to have to rethink 1S brushless power systems now for these micros. Look at that. I haven't managed to get this to stall yet. Alright, so now that you've seen some of what it can do, and this is just some of what it can do, I know you're going to want to pull the trigger on it. So I will have links to the aircraft in the pinned comment below the video, as well as links to spare batteries for it, because you're going to want at least 8 batteries for this. I've got 4, one S 1000 milliamp hour lipos that I use in this. I've got some 800s, but I don't know. I'll have to test them. I don't know if the 800s will hold up as well. You know, with the providing amps to those two twin brushless motors. But I have links in there to some 1000 milliamp hour and some, I think, 1200 milliamp hour batteries that I'm going to have to pull the trigger on. I've got four 1000 milliamp hour lipos, and I would really like to have at least 8 lipos to put in this plane. It's that much fun. Alright, I think we're getting ready to come in and set it down. Almost a vertical landing. I had about 5 to 6 miles per hour wind. Vertical landing. That is such an awesome little park jet. Alright, so you take a look at the playlist. There's a link to the playlist in the show notes as well as in the pinned comment below the video. Take a look at those videos because I also demonstrate the vertical mode. That's a wrap on this episode. Stay tuned and I will see you in the air.